Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to be putting on the mirror. Got it right here. I took the metal piece off. It was a pain in the butt, but I figured out you got to put a flathead in between these little grooves right here and twist it, pop right off. So here's the part. I already cleaned it, as you can see. I just used this razor. Here, let me show you. Sorry, my hands are full right now. So I took this razor and I just scraped it all off nice and clean. And then up here, you're going to want to do the same thing. So I'm going to... Ooh, I don't know if you saw that lightning. It's been raining. I can't even get the rest. Yeah, you hear it. The truck's still right there. Every time I get ready to start painting, it's literally been raining every other day. Oh, my dog's trying to climb up here. Watch out, boy. I got a razor. Oh, get that. But I'm going to clean the rest of this glue off real quick. It's kind of hard to see. Oh, get that, boy. He's scared of thunder. Say hi. Yeah. So I'm going to clean that glue off real quick. And then I'm going to show you what we're going to do after that. So the glue I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using this extra strength Permatex. Alright, we're going to be using Permatex rear view mirror. I'm going to use the extreme strength because this is a pretty big bulky mirror and it's pretty heavy and I don't want it to like break off. So make sure if you do not have this sticker, I guess, whatever you want to call it, make sure you mark it on the other side of the mirror or the windshield so you know where to put this. So you're going to take your metal piece. Hold on, I just dropped it. You're going to take this metal piece. Make sure you face it the right way. So on mine, you're going to grab your mirror, right? Make sure you have it set. So it looks like it's going to go in like this. Alright, so mine goes in like this. So I'm going to have the flat spot, this part right here. It's going to go straight up like this. It's going to stick on like that. And you're going to just glue it on there. You're going to clean it and everything, but let me take the rest of that glue off because I want it to have a nice surface to stick on. And we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Alright, so I got that nice and flush and smooth. Gonna prepare the area now. I'm gonna clean both sides. Remember to face it the right way. That way when you put the mirror on. So I make sure I have it so it's faced like this. So when I click it in, it's gonna click in like that. Mirror's gonna stay up just like this. Gotta angle it. Let's see, make sure. Okay, so it's gonna go like that somehow, like this. And you don't want to hold it on there with the mirror. You want to just put the metal bracket on this piece. Hold it there for at least 30 seconds to a minute. Oh gosh, starting to rain already. So I'm gonna clean it with these wipes. So I'm gonna open up this package. Let's see if I can get the stick. Yeah, it's not gonna stick. All right, hold on, guys. I'm doing this all with like one hand. So here's your glue. This is the glue and this is the activator. What you want to do is peel each corner like it says. Just follow the directions. Peel each corner. There you go. Open it like this. You're going to want to hold it just like this. Now you're going to wipe it. Clean it nice and good. This is the applicator, remember. Now you want to take that metal piece, same thing, rub it on there. It's now pouring. This is great. No, get down. Don't jump in here. All right, got that on there. Now you're gonna want to grab your glue. Okay, there we go. So now I got the applicator right here. You're gonna want to cut this edge. So I'm gonna take my razor. Just cut it real quick, like that. Oh, I already put a drop on it. So just put the glue on there. And then you're gonna wanna press it up on the window. So remember, mine's the square spot on top. So I'm gonna put it like this. And I'm gonna just hold it there for a few seconds. Right there. Just hold it there. Dog's watching. He's a big baby when it comes to storms. So, all right, so that should be good. All right, I'm gonna let it sit like that. I'm doing it now because it's a little bit cooler out. It's not as hot, but I'm still pretty sweating. But you're gonna leave it like that now. Let it sit for at least an hour before you put that mirror back on. So once I put my mirror back on, it's gonna go on like this, but obviously I'm not gonna put it on yet. And you're gonna shove it down and click it in. And that's pretty much it. So once that dries, I'll come back to it. And yeah, we'll give my full review after I get it all done. And then that's pretty much it. Easy video, I hope. So that's another thing that will be fixed on the Camaro SS. And as you can see, I'm already sweating and it's already pouring out. Oh, my dog's trying to climb in the car. Come on, let's go. We're going out, come on. Alright you guys, so I actually let it sit overnight. Feels pretty solid. So now I'm gonna grab the mirror. I'm gonna try to put it back on now. So you're gonna want to make sure you're facing it the right way. Remember, put this on the right way, because once you put it on there, it's on there pretty good. So I'm gonna slide it on. Oh yeah, holy cow. Okay, it's on there. I'm gonna plug this back in. Hopefully it still works. I don't know if it works yet. Oh, it works. How do I turn it off? Uh-oh. All right. And I guess that's how you install the mirror. So far, it looks like it's working pretty good. Let me go on the driver's side. Oh yeah, I also bought these because the people who put in this radiator for this car, they're idiots. They put an automatic radiator in it, so it has the extra coolant line on the bottom left. And they used a plug or something similar to this, but it looks like it's cracked and dry rotted. And mind you, it only been on there for maybe 2-3 months, because her dad had a shop put it in, and he needs a manual one, obviously, because it's a manual transmission. So they just tried to plug it, but they did half-ass, so it's leaking the coolant through the bottom, and I'll show you that right now. Yeah, it was just literally pouring here, like literally 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. So right under here. Let's see if I can get this. All right, it's like right here. Yeah, this right here is leaking. This is a automatic radiator. So normally you would have your coolant line going from here to your transmission, and obviously this doesn't have an automatic. I don't know if you'll be able to see it though. I think it's kind of dark, but you can see the clamp. All right, so I'm draining the coolant back into those bottles from the drain plug. It's falling straight in there. And now we're gonna be taking off. I already took the clamp off. As you can see, it's falling straight in there. So, but we gotta take it off right here. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but there's like a rubber cap on here. I'm gonna pop it off. So there's the drain right there, right? And then there's another one that goes to the transmission coolant line. So pop this off. It's gonna spill some, so I'm gonna pop this off and get another cap that fits from that. It's called a bypass cap. Here, oh, there we go. I'm gonna say it's that one right there, bigger one. I'm gonna take that one off and swap this one on real quick, and then tighten it back up. All right, got the new clamp and new rubber hose on. It was a little bit smaller. They had a too big of a one in here, so I put one that was snug, and I pushed it, and it was a real tight fit. And then I put the clamp on, tighten it down. Don't tighten it too much because it's plastic. You don't want to crack it. I know it's so freaking hard to see. Let me go get a flashlight. Hold on. A flashlight for you guys now. There you go. As you can see, that's the new one. That's where it was leaking. That's the automatic transmission one. And as you can see, it's plastic. So I put a new one on there that was a nice snug fit, and then tighten it down. It's already drained out. I got 2 jugs full. So now we're gonna fill it back up, start it, and pray. All right, stay tuned guys. But yeah, this is on the driver's side of the radiator. Drain plug's right over there. And then this is the automatic tranny. All right, let's go. All right, gonna get that light. No leaks. Awesome. I'm filling it in now. I spilled some a little bit, but nothing's leaking. Awesome. I got it really clean under here. It's pretty dirty. All the dirt and grease. Runs like a champ though. Alright. You hear my pulley up there. Ah, hear it? Alright. So it looks like it's fixed for now. I'm going to keep letting it warm up. And then... So here's the old one. You can see why it was leaking. But this was an oversized one. It was too big. But, yeah. So we'll see how long these other ones will last. This is the one I tried to put on. It's the same size as this one. A little bit. But it was one smaller than this one. Might have an extra. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, this one right here. There you go. Oh, I guess they're the same size. So I used this one instead of that one. So it worked. It was only like $4.99 at AutoZone. Or Advance, sorry. Yeah, it was at Advance. Alright, and we'll see how long that lasts. I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna keep filling it up right now. Right now it's full. I got the heat on full blast. I'm gonna let it run for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Awesome. It fixes two things. Alright, the car's been running for about 20 minutes. Here, I'll turn on the light so you can see. It's so foggy. Oh wow. It's so cold in here. The lens fogged up. Hold up. There you go. Now you can see. Kind of. But it is at 210. A little below it. It's like 205-ish. And I had it on heat for a while, so, and it's blowing out hot air now, so it's nice. Oil pressure, everything's working great. Goes up when I step on it. Idles beautifully. Oh, I can't wait to get this thing registered. I'm gonna find out how much insurance is now, and then see when I can get the title so I can go register it. Because right now it's still registered under his name. He's just got to get the title for it. So, yeah. Not bad for 3,000 bucks. Mirror's working. I unplugged it for now because those light bulbs get hot, and I mean hot. So I unplugged them for now. I'm gonna put some LEDs in here, some white LEDs, and also in the back. But yeah, now I'm trying to figure out this stereo because that's max volume. But if I put it on AM, it's loud, but it sounds like shit. So watch. Oh, let me find a station. Oh, AM.
Okay, yeah. Well,
oh my God, see?
Geez, you didn't value.
But yeah, I don't know why it's like that. I think the stereos just took a shit. So, and I'm trying to find a cassette thing that I had, but I don't know what I did with it. It went somewhere. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know it's nothing major right now that I'm doing. I fixed the mirror, fixed the radiator. It's not leaking anymore. So I'm pretty happy. Everything's turning out pretty nice. Now I need to get some window tints. I want to do like maybe 40%, 35% in the front, and then 5% all around. I'm probably gonna take this off because it's all beat. Oh wow. The steering wheel's actually in decent shape. It's not ripped or anything. But he said the original owner also had a cover on it before this, a different cover than this one. So they took good care of it. And the dash, yeah, that's, you know, this is normal. All F bodies. But it's only like, I think 80 bucks for that cover, so I'm gonna get that later on when I have more money. But yeah, this I'm gonna fix too. All I'm gonna have to do is heat it up, use a heat gun. Or actually, I just gotta glue it, I think, because the glue came off right here. So when this popped off, I gotta pop it off again, but this pops off and I can see like underneath the lip where the glue lifted. It's supposed to be glued down and the glue's not holding right here anymore. So I'll get that fixed too. I'm not worried about it. But AC works nice and cold. T-tops don't leak. I gotta get some visors. I think they took them off because the other guy was also tall. I'm 6 foot and I lowered the seat as low as possible because I feel like this thing is like in my view a little bit. So, but yeah, once you lower the seat, it's perfect. I fit in here perfectly. Yeah, I want to do the stereo, get all new speakers because they're all blown, they're all messed up. Got to get tires for the front. The rears are fine. Let's see, and I need shocks. The shocks are pretty bad in this thing. It kind of like bounces when I hit a bump, which is not fun. It's like riding in a boat hitting waves. Oh yeah, that's pretty much it for now, guys. If you want to see something on the Camaro, let me know. I'm gonna do some like drive-bys and stuff and launches and all that once I get this thing on the road. So as of now, it's pretty much roadworthy. Everything's perfect. I was just worried about that radiator because it did leak a lot when I was driving. You know, once it builds up pressure, it squirts out like crazy. So now that that's fixed, I hope that thing will hold for at least a little while so I can save up and buy the right radiator. But yeah. Oh, I also got to get a fog light. One of the fog lights are off. They're blown. That's pretty much it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.